لن يضروكم إلا أذى وإن يقاتلوكم يولوكم الأدبار ثم لا ينصرون.
They will not be able to harm you except for a little hurt. And if they fight against you, they will turn their backs in flight, and then they will not be succored.
ضربت عليهم الذلة أينما ثقفوا إلا بحبل من الله وحبل من الناس وباءوا بغضب من الله وضربت عليهم المسكنة ذلك بأنهم كانوا يكفرون بآيات الله ويقتلون الأنبياء بغير حق ذلك بما عصوا وكانوا يعتدون.
Wherever they were covered with ignominy, except when they were protected by either a covenant with Allah or a covenant with men. They are laden with the burden of Allah's wrath, and humiliation has been pitched upon them. All this because they rejected the signs of Allah, and slew the prophets without right, and because they wantonly disobeyed and used to transgress.
ليسوا سواء من أهل الكتاب أمة قائمة يتلون آيات الله آناء الليل وهم يسجدون.
Yet all are not alike among the people of the book. There are upright people who recite the messages of Allah in the watches of the night and prostrate themselves in worship.
يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر ويأمرون بالمعروف وينهون عن المنكر ويسارعون في الخيرات وأولئك من الصالحين.
They believe in Allah and in the last day, and enjoin what is right, and forbid what is wrong, and hasten to excel each other in doing good. These are among the righteous.
وما يفعلوا من خير فلن يكفروه والله عليم بالمتقين.
Whatever good they do shall not go unappreciated. Allah fully knows those who are pious.